Mr. McIntosh.
Hi, Big Bird.
Hi, kids. How you doing?
Well, just great with these apples.
Oh, boy, they look good. La, 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 la. La, la, la. Gee, you see this? There's two little birds sleeping in my nest area here.
Oh, hello.
Who are you?
Well, that's just what I was about to ask the two of you.
Oh, I'm Peter Paul.
And I'm Mary Lou.
Well, I'm Big Bird. And this is my nest here.
It is?
Yes.
Gee, we're real sorry to barge in on you like this.
Yeah, but you see, we were flying south for the winter, and our wings started getting real tired, so we decided that we'd just come down and take a little rest and...
Wait, Peter Paul.
What?
Instead of telling Big Bird our story, why don't we sing him our story?
Hey, great idea, Mary Lou.
Though it seems like long ago, it was only yesterday that we spread our wings and headed this away. First we flew one, yes we flew one, yes we flew one whole mile from our nest. Yes, we flapped and flapped our wings and we flew on right along, wishing that our wings could be fast and strong. Oh, we flew 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we flew 10 whole miles from our nest. But we're still a long, long way from the place we want to be, 'cause we're flying way down south in Miami. So we flew 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, we flew 20 miles from our nest.
Gee, that's pretty far.
We flew 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 miles from our nest.
Gosh.
We flew 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. We flew 40 miles from our nest.
No wonder your wings are tired.
And that's why when we saw your nest, we couldn't help coming down for a little rest.
Yeah, we sure hope you don't mind.
Oh, no, please, listen. Fellow little birds, just make yourselves at home right here at my nest, because you're welcome to... Gee. Boy, now that's what I call tired.
Hi, Bird.
We have to be careful, see?
What? Oh, who's that, Bird?
That's Peter Paul and Mary Lou.
Lou?
Yes, they're little birds who are flying south for the winter. Right, Alice, but we don't want to wake them up because they've been flying a long way and they're really tired.
Oh, okay, Bird. Well, little Alice and I just came over to see if you maybe wanted to play with us.
Oh, I'd love to, but it'll have to be something quiet.
Oh.
Quiet!
Oh, Alice. Shh.
Alice? I said we have to be quiet. Doesn't she know about quiet and loud?
She knows how to say those words, Bird, but sometimes she gets confused about what they mean.
Alice, look. We have to be quiet. This is quiet.
Quiet!
Alice, no, you're being loud.
Oh,
What
now you've
happened?
done it.
Are we there yet?
No, but it's okay. We'll go play somewhere else. You can go right back to sleep now.
Oh, that's all right. I had a great nap. I don't think I'm tired anymore.
Me neither.
Oh, you're not? Gee, does that mean that you're going to fly away now?
I guess so.
Wait, Peter Paul. I think we should eat some birdseed first.
Oh, good idea, Mary Lou. You know a good place to get some bird seed?
Do I know a good place for some birdseed? Sure, I know the best. You want to come, Snuffy?
Oh, I'd love to, Bird, but look at Alice. Oh.
Okay, you guys come back when you're done, okay?
Okay.
All right, bye, Brian. Bye, Dara. Hi, Big Bird.
Oh, hi, Gina.
Who are your friends?
Ah, these are my new friends. This is Peter Paul.
Hi.
Hi.
This is Mary Lou.
Hi.
Hi.
They're flying south for the winter, and they stopped at my nest to rest. So I brought them over here to get something good to eat before they fly off again.
Well, welcome to Hoopers. What can I get for you?
Tweet, 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 tweet,
Oh,
tweet, tweet, tweet,
what's
tweet,
going
tweet,
on?
Well, I think they're giving you their order. Hold it, guys. I'm afraid Gina doesn't understand tweeting. You're
Oh,
gonna have to tell her what you want. You know?
I'm sorry, Gina. I guess we're just used to ordering our food that way. You see, when we were little birds back in our nest, our mom...
Wait, Peter Paul. Instead of telling Gina how we ordered our food, why don't we sing it to her?
Great idea, Mary Lou.
When we wanted birdseed, we tweeted in the morning, we tweeted in the evening to say to our mom that we were getting hungry and we needed food to make us grow up strong and make our wings be good and healthy to fly all over this land. Tweet, 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 tweet. So we ate our birdseed and other things that birds eat, and we started growing the way that we should. 'Cause we tweeted for breakfast, we tweeted for supper, loud and clear. So now we're off to join a fine birdie friends and cousins to fly all over this land. Tweet, 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 all over this land.
Hey!
Beautifully.
That was
Oh.
nice.
Well, we'll have a little birdseed, please.
Oh, okay. 2 bowls of birdseed coming right up.
You've come to the right place. They
Oh,
have great
hey, I
bird
can't
seed.
wait. I can't wait. I'm so excited.
There you go.
Here it is.
Oh, Mary Lou. What?
Gee, we've never eaten birdseed out of anything like this before.
Yeah. Back in the nest, Mom always fed it to us with her beak.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, I can't help you out with that, guys. I don't have a beak. Sorry.
Well, Gina, couldn't you just pretend you have one?
Big Bird, pretend I have a beak. Are you serious?
Oh, yes,
Yeah,
pretend,
yeah,
please.
pretend we
Please
have a
pretend.
beak, Please.
Gina, you're not going to disappoint two cute little birdies.
Oh, okay. No problem. Here you go. Okay.
Oh, gee, you make a great mama bird, Gina.
Yeah, the best.
Here you go. Tweet, tweet.
Well, I guess it's time for us to fly on.
Already? Gee, couldn't you stay a little longer?
We'd like to, Big Bird, but we have to keep heading south for the winter.
But why? I'm a bird too, and I don't fly south.
Well, it's like this. There are birds that do and birds that don't. You're just not the south flying kind.
Hey, Peter Paul, instead of trying to explain it to Big Bird, why don't we recite our poem?
Good idea, Mary Lou.
You have a poem?
Yeah, our mama bird taught it to us. It's about why we fly south.
And it goes like this.
When winter winds begin to blow, not long after comes the snow. At first, snow can look real pretty. Then it turns into Ice City.
And it's not much fun at all when you start to slip and fall. And it isn't very nice when all bird baths turn to ice.
Then when snow turns into slush, which is like a melting mush, it's really hard not to get our little feet cold and wet.
Yes, the snow can be a bummer, so these birds prefer the summer, And that's why when cold winds blow, birds like us say,
South we go.
Gee, then I guess it is goodbye then.
Yeah, but don't feel too bad, Bird. Something tells me we're going to see each other soon.
I hope so.
Well, goodbye, Big Bird, and thanks for everything.
Yeah, it's been real.
Well, goodbye, you guys.
We'll drop you a line from Miami.
There they go. Fly safely, Peter, Paul, and Mary Lou. Fly safely. Gee. Oh, dear. Oh, hi. Oh, I'm kind of glad you're here. You know, my brand new friends, the little birds, Peter, Paul, and Mary Lou. Well, they had to fly away. Gosh, it seems like I just got to know them and they're gone already. Sometimes life just isn't a barrel of birdseed. My phone. Wonder who it is. Hello?
Hiya, Big Bird.
It's us.
Peter, Paul, Mary Lou, is that really you?
It sure is.
Yeah, we stopped to rest our wings again and decided to give you a call.
Oh, gosh, I'm glad you did. Where are you now?
Add a telephone. Yep, it says so right there, telephone.
Well, gee, I figured you were calling from a telephone. What I mean is, where is the telephone? You're not in Miami already, are you?
Oh, no. We're not really sure where we are. All we know is we're at a phone near some kind of shop or something, and there's a man and woman fixing things at a table in front of it.
A man and a woman in front of a shop, fixing things at a table in front of it. What do they look like?
Well, they both have dark hair, and she's kind of cute.
I think he's kind of cute, too.
Can you hand me that screwdriver, honey?
Oh, and his name is Honey.
Here it is, honey.
Her name is Honey, too.
A man and a woman working at a shop and they call each other Honey? Gee, that sounds just like Luisa Maria. Can you hold the phone a second, please? It is Luisa Maria. Oh, they're at the payphone right next to them. Hello? I hate to tell you guys, but all you did was fly just a little ways up Sesame Street.
Oh, is that where we are?
Gee, maybe we should get going again, Peter Paul.
Oh, good idea, Mary Lou. Well, Big Bird, we're off again. It was real nice chatting with you.
Yeah, and don't worry. We'll call you again real soon.
Okay, happy landings. Goodbye. Oh, boy. Something tells me that it's going to be a long time before they get to where they're going.
Let's see. Dear Big Bird. Got that part?
Mm-hmm.
Dear Big Bird, wish you were here.
Peter Paul.
Yeah.
Mary Lou.
Oh, look, Mary Lou. He is here.
Well, of course I'm here, but what are you doing here? I thought you were flying south.
Well, we are. We just stopped to rest our wings again and decided to write you a postcard.
And aren't we lucky, Peter Paul? We wished he was here, and here he is.
Here he is.
Something tells me it's going to take them a long, long time to get to where they're going.
You know, that kind of reminds me of a song. Let's see. How did it go?
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters G and R, and by the number 3. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.